Regularly removing Florida Snot from an air conditioning drain line and pan significantly improves system performance and indoor air quality. Florida Snot is a slimy biofilm of mold, algae, bacteria, and organic debris that accumulates where warm condensate meets air. It restricts drain flow and causes standing water that forces the system to work harder and cycle more frequently, increasing energy use and wear. For effective removal, start by turning off power to the air handler and using a wet vacuum on the drain access to pull out bulk slime and standing water. Follow with a water flush using warm tap water or a 5% white vinegar solution poured slowly through the drain to loosen residual film, and then vacuum again to extract loosened material. Consider a monthly maintenance rhythm in humid climates and after heavy rain or pollen events, and keep a small pocket toolkit with a flexible brush, hand pump or wet vac, and vinegar on hand. If the drain line is repeatedly clogged, inspect for sloped or crushed sections and replace short segments rather than fight chronic obstructions. 3 common issues are incomplete removal, recurring regrowth, and physical drain line damage. If cleaning only removes surface slime, follow with a water flush and repeat vacuuming until the discharge runs clear, and schedule a deeper clean quarterly. When regrowth returns quickly, add routine monthly flushes and install a simple drain pan float switch to prevent overflow damage while you address biological buildup. If the line is kinked, crushed, or has poor slope, replace or reroute that section so gravity does the work, because chemical treatments and cleaning cannot fix structural faults. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners quickly find local contractors who post their services and responses so we can compare options and reach out directly. We also offer a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and contractors, and we help contractors find work by putting their services in front of people actively planning projects.